Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we'll discuss about indexes. In the previous video, we have accessed the array element with the help of script, but we can also be accessed using the index. So in this video, we'll discuss about index. So index is a displacement of element from the start of the table. Displacement of the element from the start of the table, and it declared with occurs clause using the index by clause. So the value of index can be changed using the set statement and perform varying statement. So here is the syntax we have. This is the WS table. Array is defined. We have one element WSX, pick a of 10 occurs 10 times and index by I. So subscript we don't have to define, but index we have to define. So here index is defined. So let's go to the mainframe. We'll write a new COBOL program. Also we'll define an array. Then that array will be accessing through the index. So let's go to the mainframe. So we'll write a new program under the module 7. So let's write module 7 index program. We have to go to edit, index program. So here is the coding sheet we have. Let's make it to bigger screen. So here is the coding sheet we have. This is the member name. So our program name would be same. So let's start writing a COBOL program. First is identification, division. Then we have program ID equal to index program. Period sign we need. Yeah. Next we have environment, division. Then we have data division. Under data division we have working storage section. Then we will define one array. First we'll write procedure for TV division. Then we have stop run. So this is the basic structure of COBOL program. Now let's define array first. So WS table we have defined. Then at 0, 1 level we'll define one variable WSA occurs 3 times. Then WSB pick x of 2. This would be 0, 5 level. Then next at 0, 5 level we'll define another element WSC occurs 2 times. Then at 1, 0 level we'll define WSD pick x of 3. So we have defined the two-dimensional array. This is for row 3 times and this is for columns. First column will not repeat for x of 2 and the second column will repeat 2 times. So we'll give the value here for this table value 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, F, 3, 4, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Insert 5, 6. So guys, we have assigned the values to this table. So WSA is 3 times. This is first occurrence, this is second occurrence, and this is third occurrence, as we discussed in the previous video. Now we will index it by index by I, and this would be indexed by J. So we will access this array through the index clause. this is indexed by I and this is indexed by j. So we have defined the array with the and also the index by close. Now let's come to the procedure division. First we will display index operation. Program to understand index. Just displaying a heading. Then we will perform a para varying I from 1 by 1 until I is greater than 3. Now first we will define, then we will define the para A. So we will be using 3 paras here, para A, para B and para C. Under para C we will display WS, C, I and J values. WS, C, I and this is para C. And para B, what we are doing? We will perform para C until so guys, to understand this index, we'll use 2 paras. So we'll remove one here, para A and para B. So perform para B varying j from 1 by 1 until j greater than. Save it. So guys, what we are doing here is, now first we have defined the WS array and we have indexes, we have indexed row with index by I and column with index by j. So let's first create this table to understand better in Excel sheet. So you guys will better understand. So go to Excel sheet. Okay, so close it. So first row is 3 times. So 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, F. 3, 4, J, H, I, J, K, L. 5, 6, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So this is the array table we have defined. Now what we did, we indexed row by I. First occurs close is for row. So WSI by I. So this is index by I. And this is WSC 2 times. Pick X of 3, index by J 2 times. Means this two column index by J. This is index by I. So index value is 1, 2 and 3. And these 2 column index by J. So J value 1 and 2. Okay. So this is the table we have defined. Now what we are doing here is, we are performing a para. And what a para is doing? A para is doing performing B para. And B para, what we are displaying? We are displaying the C value. WC, I and J. Okay. So first it will perform varying I from 1 by 1 until I greater than equal to 3. Means 3 rows will get performed. 1, 2, 3. And what is performing? J from 1 by 1 until J greater than equal to 2. Means these 2 value it will perform. J1, this is J in value is 1 here, and here J value is 2. it is not index, guys. It is not index. X of 2. This 2 bytes numeric field is not index. This column is not index, but this row is indexed. And only these 2 column is indexed by j. Okay. So what we are doing, we are performing a para varying I from 1 by 1 until I greater than equal to 3. For example, here is I value is 1, I value is 2, and I value is 3. And until it becomes 4, it will not execute. So these three rows will get execute. And what it will get execute? When the j value is not greater than 2. So here is j value is 1 and j value is 2. If j value is 3, it will not execute. So for these 3 rows and for these 2 columns will get execute. Now, so what we are doing? We are printing WSC variable ing. So let's execute this program. Let's compile first, then execute, and we'll see what the output would be. So let's check the program again. Go through the identification division, program ID, environment division, and data division. Under working history section, we have defined this table. Now, in procedure division, we have displayed this, and we have performed this para, and this para executing a para here. Definition of a para is here, and definition of b para is here. So let's compile it. Program name is index p. So let's go to the compile JCL. File name is array. Save it. Compile the job again. So job compiled successfully. Let's run the program now. So go to the run JCL. So this is the run JCL we have. Program name is index p. This is our node library, and this is our program. Let's submit the job. Job is submitted. Go to the spool. So guys, this is the output message printed after the after the program execution. Okay. So WC ij would be ABC. Let's see the program again. So what we have done, we were executing performing the para for these 6 elements. So these 6 got printed: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. So this way, guys, we can use the index by clause, and we can access the data from the array through the index by clause. First occurrence is for a row, and the second occurrence for column. This was the index value I, and this was the index value j. I hope, guys, you have understood this lecture. We have accessed the array through the index by clause. So thank you, guys. We'll meet in the next one with the next topic. So thank you, guys.